It was a long time since we shoot some splashes, splash photography. I'm Alex Koloskov and I'm inviting you to Photigy workshop. This time we're going to explore this interesting technique of making splashes that works with beverage, cosmetics, all kind of products. And this way you can get an amazing images without much of post-production. Basically, I'll show you, as usual, my way to get as much as possible in the camera and reduce the post-production cost. During this 1 hour workshop, I'm going to show you how to set up everything and how to take images with different products. We already tested something. Check it out. This is out of the camera, works with different type of cosmetics in our case, different colors. Well, pretty cool thing. And what you see is out of the camera images without any post-production. However, we're going to include a post-production as usual we do on Pro Club workshops. So you get in basically 2 workshops in one. You get in the whole shooting online workshop where you watch everything and communicate with me through the chat. And then a week later, we'll have post-production, full post-production of the selected shot that we're going to take during the workshop. So you have everything needed to enhance your portfolio, to make a fun photography, to impress your friends if you're not a commercial photographer, if you're a commercial photographer, to bring more clients, because shots like this is on huge demand. And if you can do this, if you can implement it, well, you win clients. Okay, see you on the workshop, and let's learn and have fun together. Goodbye, see you.